Hello Gavin, I am creating this video to show you that how you can sync your audio records with your smartphone, and how a campaign is created into smartphone which contains all the records which are present into your Podio. So you will be uploading your list into Cold Call app by using the feature just like the Excel import option which you have here. So you can import your leads here in this app, and I have already created some test leads here. These two test leads are created. They are of type probate. So if I select here probate option, then only two leads will be visible to you. So we have to create a campaign into smartphone with a probate as a with of type with that campaign will be containing all the probate leads. So these are two probate leads which you can see here. So we will be needing to create a campaign which contain these two leads. So I will go to your smartphone account, and you can log in into smartphone using your Podio credentials. So when you are in smartphone, you will be going to campaigns. It's already opened. I'm reloading it. So here you have an option to create a new campaign. You will click here. Okay, you will give a name to the campaign. It's already filled. It will be probate campaign. Next will be the details. I put the same name here. I give the caller ID. You have three numbers, so I will be selecting one of them. I will be selecting a recording. You don't have provided any recording yet, so I am just selecting the default recording. There can be a callback music. There can be, you can select, you can change them later on. So once you have done, you have provided the name of the campaign, you have provided details and selected caller ID, you will be going to the next step. And in the next step you have options for selecting the app which will be connected for this campaign. So first of all, we are in legacy house buyers workspace, so you will select that workspace. Once you select that, you will be seeing all the apps uh, of that workspace. So you will select cold call here because we have put all the records into cold call app. Now we have to filter those leads because we don't want all these 3,460 leads into that campaign. We only want probate leads. So we will be selecting as, first let me see what sources are available here. uh, we can see all the options here which we have into, let me go to the status section. So here you can see that these sources are also available into this drop down. So but we are not filtering them based on source, we will be filtering them based on their lead type. We can see here these are the lead sorry, these are the different lead types which are present here. So if I select probate, I will provide here the name of the lead. That can be first name. For now, the testing purpose, I'm providing this should be the primary phone number which we will be using as a phone number. Then we will be providing email address, then this will be the full property address as primary address. So these are the fields which we will be using into campaign. I will click on finish setup. So there were two records which were present into smartphone when with type probate. Okay, so these two are synced and skipped are zero. Sometimes records are skipped. There can be multiple reasons for that. One of them is that those leads don't have number, any phone number attached with them. So I will click on done. So we have set up the campaign. Campaign is set up now. What we will be doing, we will be going back to campaign. We can also go to campaigns app to see all the campaigns, and then we can start a particular campaign. It takes some time because recording is on, so it's slow a little bit. So this is the campaign which we have created right now. So if we want to start, we will first click on this and then we will click on starting this campaign. If you want to start dialing these leads, these two leads, I will click here to start campaign. If you want to resync your records, maybe you have uploaded new records and you have selected their type as probate. So if you want to resync, you will click on this button. If it's already synced, then you will click on this button to run the campaign. If you will click here, you will automatically go to the section where dialing is started. When you want to start dialing, you will click on this button and dialing will start with those leads. Once it is started, uh, so right now one number is dialing. If it doesn't work, then it will go to the next number. So I stop it because these are test leads. I will stop them here. A notification is generated like communications made you a call. Okay, and new entry is created here in the communications app. So if it is marked as converted, this lead will go to the seller lead app automatically. We can see the record which was dialed. This was the record which was dialed. Okay, so all the information will log here. You will be able to see all the communication. You will be able to see all the outgoing calls and communication here. Okay, call logs are also created. So it's very helpful. uh, uh, for the further videos, you can ask me if they are required. So I'm ending this video because you can set up your campaign now. Thank you.